I'm here in Venice, Florida at Aria, a Neal community down very close to Welland Park. I'm at this absolutely beautiful home under construction. The home is going for $1,094,000, and there's some great incentives that go with this. It's a little over 2,600 square feet. I'm out here so you can see it already has a pool being installed. If you're looking to live in Venice, Florida in a community with great amenities and you want to move in quick, give me a call. Let's take a look and see what this home has to offer.